Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual. The air-cooled quick wrap can be used on pipe diameters 10 inches outer diameter and below. Place the air-cooled quick wrap on the workpiece around the insulation if you are heating over 392 degrees Fahrenheit to help protect the tool. Align the connector housings and fully engage the connector pins. Turn the latching handle to hold the connectors together. Hold the unused portion of the air-cooled quick wrap together and position the cinch clip as close to the workpiece as possible. Close the cinch clip to hold the leads together. Use the latch to secure the cinch clip in place. Position the quick wrap close to the weld joint to decrease the time spent to reach the desired temperature. The quick wrap can be hung with the leads going up or on the side of the pipe dependent on the joint configuration. If using TC probes, position them under the insulation under the quick wrap in direct contact with the workpiece. To get the joint to weld temperature faster, position the wrap next to the joint. Now the wrap and insulation can be moved farther from the joint while maintaining temperature for the welding process.